Cathedral of St. George of the Greeks and St. Symeon Church. On the edge of the Greek quarter, a Greek Orthodox cathedral in the Gothic style was built after the Gothic merchants of Famagusta had become prosperous, but the foundation date of this church is not accurate. It was abandoned after 1571 because of the fire which was done by the Turks on the rock to the harbor. On the west facade, there are three pointed doorways. The central one is larger with three arches and its moldings continue down, but it does not have any colonnades. The two lateral doorways have two arches with moldings on colonnades with carved capitals. On the south side of the nave, there was a doorway and there would have been another one on the north side because it was a usual type for the architects in Cyprus. St. Symeon Church is attached to the southern part of this cathedral, and there is a doorway on its northern side, which is the southern part of the cathedral. It also has another entrance on the south and the main doorway on the west facade. There are 5 single lancets on the first level of the east facade of the Cathedral of St. George of the Greeks with the same size and shape, and 3 on the second level. What remains from the north elevation of this cathedral is just one empty frame of a window that is near the east facade on the second level. On the west facade, there are 3 portals. The central one is bigger and most probably the main entrance of the cathedral. There is one rose window on top of it, but unfortunately just the empty frame of it remains on the second level. There are 3 narrow vertical openings on the right tower of the west facade and one opening at the back of the tower for reaching the south gallery. There are 5 windows on the second level of the south elevation of this cathedral. Just one of them survived and the other 4 are ruined or partly unglazed. The surviving window has a quatrefoil in the head of a coupled lancet. St. Symeon Church has a central portal on the west facade and a rose window on top of it. 3 small openings on each semicircular apse of the east facade, and also a small circle like a rose window on the left pediment of the east elevation.